TV time. I'll be reviewing the Black Series Chewbacca. So let's open him up and see all the details. Really detailed figure. Get out the accessories. So here is Chewbacca out of the package. So here he is. I really like the sculpting, if you see here. I really like the sculpting they did on the hands, because it's like he's waving it around while he's walking. The articulation is really good. The hand can rotate. The head can't really articulate. And he comes with this little book right here. I can show it. And he comes with a accessory. He comes with this little gun right here. I don't really know how it works, because it's like trying to put into his hand, and it comes with this little accessory. And the Chewbacca figure is really cool. So, hope you like this video. Leave a comment and subscribe for more.